Don't be sad na. Maybe Daddy got owie head yesterday. That's why he didn't take you to Nene. Maybe next time, eh? Don't be sad na. Because I asked her about their Nene time yesterday. And then she got sad. I didn't know they didn't go. Daddy promised that she's gonna take her to Nene. Maybe next time, Daddy will take you to Nene. Why Daddy didn't take you to Nene yesterday? Why? What did he tell you? What did he tell you? Did he get owie head? Huh? Oh, but Mama gave you nani, oh. Mama will take you to Nene today, okay? Okay? You like it? Mama will take you to Nene today. You have $50, oh? She will take you to Nene. Are you mad at Daddy? Mad ka pa kay Daddy? Don't be mad at Daddy. Maybe he got owie head yesterday, eh?